Hello friend, now let's start a new topic. What is Tally 9? Server 9 is a Tally Enterprise class product which enhance the power and control of Tally. ERP 9 Gold users by converting the direct access of data files to secured server based data access, prioritizing every user request equally, allowing backup of data without any compromise on speed of access or accuracy. What is the difference between Tally ERP 9 and Tally Server 9? ERP 9 license server is required to share the Tally ERP Gold license from the system where the license is activated to the other systems on the network while Tally. Server 9 is a new product which will provide Tally ERP 9 Gold users the necessary power and control for their growing business needs. Is Tally useful for banking? Banking has always played a major role in a business, and with the digitalization it has become important and easy to maintain records and data. Banking functionality is very well covered by Tally, though it was not present in earlier versions of Tally but is there in Tally ERP 9 and all of its versions. What is the most widely used accounting software? We have listed below 5 of the most used accounting software by companies today. QuickBooks Accounting, Zero Accounting, FreshBooks Cloud Accounting, Wave Accounting, Sage 50 Accounting. Which company use Tally? Tally is used by small and medium enterprise, electronics and electrical supply vendors, real estate companies, fashion accessories, leather products, paper companies. However, if you are more concerned about information security, customized report multi-location operation, then SAP is advisable over Tally. Why is Tally needed? Tally is a important tool in calculating monetary terms, accountancy, tax and GST, calculating, managing commercial transactions effectively and efficiently. Tally helps you to manage all your data in a proper way and can be efficiently accessed whenever needed. It allows you to all your data in well mannered way. Why Tally is so costly? Tally 9 is priced around rupees. It is such high pricing, the prelude to sell share of pirated cracked copies of such high cost softwares, where previous versions are deliberately eased out by the producers in order to make more profits. Is Tally 9 free? Tally ERP 9 is a free accounting software that manages your business with the applications that manages accounting, finance, point of sales, payroll and branch management. Since it is available for free downloads, hence the businesses in order to save expenses and get an accounting software choose Tally ERP 9. How can I get free Tally? The free version of accounting software can be downloaded from the official website of Tally. To download the free accounting software, you need to visit tallysolution.com and navigate to the download page. The following are the steps to download free accounting software. Can we use Tally without license? The licensed version of Tally ERP 9 is cloud based and can be used from anywhere, whereas the free or crack version has limited access and can be used only from your office systems. How can I get Tally license? Activate license. Number 1, start Tally. Number 2, click a activate your license in the startup screen as shown below. Number 3, enter your Tally. Number 4, press enter to activate your license. Number 5, press enter to view the unlock license screen. Number 6, enter the unlock key sent to your email ID in the unlock license screen as shown below. How can I learn Tally easily? Number 1, download and install Tally for free. Number 2, creating a company in Tally. Number 3, how to create ledgers in Tally. Number 4, basic accounting vouchers in Tally. Number 5, sales and purchase vouchers in Tally. Number 6, debit and credit notes in Tally, purchase and sales returns.